With the increasing popularity of GLP-1s, it's important to be educated on how to properly fuel your body while experiencing weight loss at such a fast pace. There are certain nutrients that are crucial in determining how your body handles this weight loss. Protein, for example, is a key nutrient that helps to protect muscle mass and burn fat as an alternative. When losing weight, you may start to lose muscle as well as fat. Sometimes it can be difficult to tell the difference when measuring weight with a scale. It is crucial to maintain muscle mass, as it has many important functions like maintaining healthy blood sugar, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels in the blood. One way your muscle mass can be measured is through an InBody or DEXA machine near you. These can give you direct percentages for body fat, lean body mass, and even bone density. A more affordable option is to purchase the Ideal Protein Wireless Body Scale, which can also measure fat and muscle percentages. An essential macronutrient, protein is the building block of more than just our muscles. It plays a key role in hormone balance. If you find yourself hungry even after eating or not seeing results from your consistent gym sessions, take a peek at your daily protein consumption. The typical recommendation for daily protein intake is around 0.8 to 1 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. However, during administration of the GLP-1, protein intake should be increased to around 1.2 grams per kilogram. Find a way to incorporate protein into every meal or snack. Our delicious protein powders and snacks make this easy. On-the-go high-protein snacks are also great to make sure you reach your daily protein goal. We have protein chips and ready-to-serve shakes with 20 grams of protein. Because GLP-1s can result in rapid weight loss, consuming enough food, especially protein, is extremely important to prevent the loss of muscle and lean body mass. In severe cases, malnutrition can even occur. Since nutrition is individualized, we recommend working with an ideal protein coach to ensure that you are not only aware of your personal needs, but you are also aware of what steps you can take to make sure you reach those goals.